Hey, what's up there YouTube? So I'm here on location in Richmond, Ontario, and we have some water over here, little lake of sorts, some kind of waterway, and over this direction there is a train track. I'm expecting a Via Rail, that's one of the passenger train coming from Toronto to Ottawa, hopefully within the next 20 minutes. So I'm gonna get the drone up in the air right now, scout out the location, see how close. I know the track goes pretty close to the lake. It is approaching sunset. It's about 5:30 right now, so about an hour away from sunset. So yeah, just gonna see if we can get some cool shots. So without further ado, let's just get the drone up and we'll get it going. Okay, so I found the tracks. They're about 400 or so meters away. Looking quite nice. The light is quite nice. I'm not too sure when the train is going to come, so I'm just going to get some footage, some scenic shots, see if I can figure out the best angle, and then hopefully the train will come in a little while. The train's coming! That was fast. Alright, so there we have it, guys. Did manage to get a train pretty quick. It was only a small train and they don't come by too often, I don't believe so. But definitely a good spot to come back and try again, get more prepared, be here for a little while, check out the schedules and everything. So all in all, not a bad trip for my first train shoot. Have a good day. Bye.